Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Chrysler Pacifica without a key. First, if you have the Uconnect app installed on your smartphone, this is often the easiest solution. Simply open the app, select your Pacifica, and use the remote unlock feature. This method requires an active Uconnect subscription and a paired device, offering a quick and convenient way to regain access to your vehicle. If the Uconnect app isn't an option, contacting roadside assistance is your next best step. Services such as AAA or Chrysler's dedicated roadside assistance can send a technician to your location. They possess specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Pacifica without causing any damage. This professional approach ensures a safe and efficient resolution to your lockout situation, typically within an hour. For those comfortable with a more hands-on approach, manual entry techniques can be considered, but with extreme caution. Tools like a slim jim or a wedge can be used to create a small gap and manipulate the door's locking mechanism. However, this method carries a significant risk of damaging the vehicle's wiring, paint, or weather stripping. It is generally recommended only as a last resort. To avoid future lockout situations, proactive measures are key. Always keep a spare key in a secure, easily accessible location, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Additionally, regularly check the battery in your key fob and replace it every 1 to 2 years, or as recommended by the manufacturer. These simple steps can save you significant time and frustration down the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.